Hello dreamers, welcome back to the next video. Today we are going to make soya chunk noodles. To make soya chunk noodles we need soya chunks, leeks, carrot, some onion, spring onion, ginger garlic and noodles. I have boiled the noodles and I have boiled the soya chunks and squeezed out the water. I have chopped the leeks and carrot and some onion and spring onions, and we are going to grind ginger, garlic and onion together as a paste. So now I'm going to add one medium onion. I just chopped roughly. 5 garlics and a small piece of ginger, and I'm going to grind it into a nice paste. So I have taken a pan and I'm going to add some butter. You can add oil, but I'm adding butter. At first we are going to make a curry, soya chunk curry. To this I am going to add some chopped onions. I'm adding little salt. Now I'm going to add the paste. So I'm adding the onion, ginger, garlic paste. So now all the raw smell has gone. Now I am adding the soya chunks. In soya you will get a seasoning packet, so I'm going to add the seasoning. I have added the whole packet. Now I am going to add little water. I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. So at this stage, I'm going to add the leeks, and the carrots, and some spring onions. I'm going to add little bit of salt. I'm not going to add any chili pieces because the seasoning has some chili. If you need, you can add, it's optional. I'm going to let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the boiled noodles. I'm going to add the soya chunks which I prepared into the noodles. And mix it well. So there you go, the soya chunk noodles. Try this at home and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you all on the next video, guys. Bye, dreamers.